Okay, so now I've got this documentation, and the last thing that I'm going to do here is kind of close the loop and actually check this documentation into the Copia repository in which this AOI lives. Uh, this would be a great practice to do, because if you're collaborating with another engineer and they're already looking at this code within Copia, having the documentation sitting right next to it is going to make it very easy to find and kind of remove the likelihood of disparate documentation living all over the place. So all that I'm going to do right here is just copy and paste this. And then I'm going to put it into, I'm going to make a commit or check it into Copia. And then we can actually take a look at the documentation that was generated. All right, so that's in there now. And now you can see why I asked it to do in the markdown formatting, because it has the nice headers in bold and the code format. So we can just take a quick look at this. We see a pretty well-structured document where it gives us an overview of the AOI, tells us what the purpose is, describes any of the inputs and outputs, including their data types, calls out key features, tells you how to use the actual AOI itself. And like we just talked about, it lists out all the different fault codes and the corresponding string that's associated with that. And now this is in Copia, version controlled. And if we ever wanted to supplement this, update it, add additional information, if the AOI were to evolve over time, you can do that right here in Copia, and that will also be version controlled.